Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir, formerly one of the largest princely states of India, popularly known as Paradise on Earth. Jammu and Kashmir is world famous for its scenic splendor, snow-capped mountains, plentiful wildlife, exquisite monuments, hospitable peoples, and local handcrafts. Nestled in Himalayan, Pirpanjal, and Karakoram mountain ranges, are renowned for their natural beauty and gentle peoples. Pirpanjal range is drained principally by Jhelum, Panch, and Chenab rivers. There are so many duns in this place. During Pleistocene times, the basin was occupied by a body of water known as Lake Kariva. The deep asymmetrical basins lying between the Pirpanjal range and the western end of the Great Himalayas was once occupied by Lake Kariva. It is Vale of Kashmir. One of the range found here is Roof of the World. We called as Roof of the World. It is K2, which is Mount Godwin Austen. Jammu and Kashmir was a former state, but now it is one of the union territories. It has two capitals, one in the summer and one in the winter. The average minimum temperature is -2 degrees centigrade in January and 31 degrees centigrade in July. It is the maximum temperature here. 2/3 of the Islam is a greater population than in the other Indian state. Remaining are majority Hindus and lesser amount of Sikhs and Buddhists. The major occupation of people in Jammu and Kashmir is agriculture. The climate and fertility of the soil in this area is very helpful in the cultivation of fruits, dry fruits, and rice. Here is the list of crops which are cultivated in Jammu and Kashmir. Apples, cherries, apricots, walnuts, almonds. Kashmir saffron is very famous and bring the state a handsome amounts of exchange. The vegetation found in the basins are deodar, cedar, blue pine, willow, elm, fir, pine, spruce, honeysuckle, rhododendrons, and dwarf willows. The lakes provide fish and chestnuts. The animal life found here are Siberian ibex, the Ladakh urial, hangle, the endangered marker, black and brown bears, and some game birds like migratory ducks. Jammu and Kashmir has its charm in the enchanting valley views and green nature, but its festivals add an extra flavor to the beauty of the state. People try to forget all the communal tensions that exist and celebrate the festivities together in peace. This exquisitely defines the beauty of this holy land. In India, festivals are celebrated more than any other country in the world, and every festival is celebrated with great zeal and zest, fancy feasting, and incredibly merry-making manner. Some major festivals of Jammu and Kashmir that we must know of are Urs. It is an intercommunal festival celebrated on death anniversaries of eminent Muslim saints. Eid. Eid is celebrated with great buzz here. Hemis festival. It is celebrated as the state holiday. It is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Padmasambhava, who is known as the founder of Tibetan Buddhism. Baisakhi. It is celebrated throughout the country on 13th April and it is a prominent festival of Sikhs. Tulip Festival. Tulip Festival takes place at Indira Gandhi Memorial Tulip Garden in Srinagar, Kashmir. The festival features a showcase of local handcrafts, luscious cuisine and cultural programs and of course tulips. Shikara Festival. The lifeline and identity of Dal Lake in Kashmir, Shikara, that is boats, needs to be celebrated once in a year. It takes place in the months of July to August. Gurez Festival. Celebrated at the time of July or August in the scintillating valley of Gurez. Lori. Lori is celebrated on 13th Jan. It marks the end of peak winter, celebrates the harvest of crops. Jammu and Kashmir, the land of unimaginable beauty. There are numerous beautiful destinations to visit in Jammu and Kashmir. Some of them are as follows. Srinagar redefines beauty. Leh, land of pure beauty and sheer adventure. Jammu city, a blessed land. Rajouri, the rural beauty. Gulmarg, entailing adventure and excitement. Udhampur, recalling the glorious past. Katwa, enthralling expedition experience. Kupwara, rightfully the crown of Kashmir. Badgam, sheltering nature's best. Kargil, the brave and beautiful. Sonmarg, the kingdom of untamed beauty. Pulwama, where the fields are saffron and the sky is blue. Pahalgam, tucking refreshment and excitement. Doda, gem of Jammu. Poonch, swathed with sheer beauty. Anantnag, a paradise in paradise. Baramulla, reflecting perfectly the beauty of Kashmir. Katra, more than just a base camp. Patnitop, where nature meets adventure. Hemus, live the spirit of Ladakh. Kishwar, the land of saffron and sapphire. Nubra Valley, redefining Ladakh. Dras, the snowland. Zanskar, entrenching beauty and excitement. Pangong Lake, the azure beauty. There are several things to do in Jammu and Kashmir that make your holidays an unforgettable experience to cherish. Here are some popular activities that travelers must do during their trip to this pristine state of incredible India. First one is Shikara ride. Capturing the beauty of Srinagar in lens on slow movements of Dal and Nagin lakes through Shikara rides is one of the most relaxing aspects of holidays in Jammu and Kashmir. Golfing. Golfing is one activity that you must try. Golf course of Gulmarg is estimated to be the most elevated golf course in the world. Trekking. Nothing can be more challenging and exciting than trekking. Skiing. The state is blessed with world famous destinations like Gulmarg, Pahalgam Glacier, mountain biking. If the idea of exploring beautiful valleys, crystal clear lakes and snow-covered mountains on a bicycle gives an adrenaline rush, then Jammu and Kashmir is your destination. Paragliding. The view of striking green meadows and majestic valleys while gliding over them is totally different experience. Mountaineering. Jammu and Kashmir offer mountainous wonderful opportunities of mountaineering. Angling and fishing. With a network of rivers, lakes and streams, Jammu and Kashmir is paradise for angling and fishing. Bird watching. There are about 24 wetlands dotted all across the state where the bird watchers can enjoy this activity. Home to around 500 species of birds, bird watching in Jammu and Kashmir is an all-season activity. Shopping. Shopping is one of the favorite things to do in Jammu and Kashmir. Dining. Whether you are a foodie or not, The rich flavors of Kashmiri cuisine will surely win your hearts and appreciation. Base 1. A multi-course meal is the signature dining treat of Kashmir. Rafting, cutting through various mesmerizing landscapes, deep gorge mountains, these roaring rivers give ample thrill to rafting lovers. Camping. If you want to enjoy the natural allure of Jammu and Kashmir in its full bloom, then camping is must-do activity for you. Snowboarding. Snowboarding is another favorite activity to do in the state during winter. Water skiing. Water skiing is the most loved of all water sports in the region and has a legion of flaws. The thrill attached with surfing on powerful water currents is something that makes the activity so exciting. Monastery tour. Hidden amid the hilly mountains, away from the rest of the world, Ladakh monasteries are the rare gems of Jammu and Kashmir tourism. Wildlife tour. With 7 national parks and wildlife sanctuaries in its kitty, Jammu and Kashmir has an exciting panorama of flora and fauna that awaits natural lovers and wildlife enthusiasts. Road trips. For travel junkies, especially for bike lovers, road trips are one of the most captivating and exciting things to do in Jammu and Kashmir. A drive on Kardungla, one of the highest motorable road in the world, is a unique way to experience the beauty of the region. Horse riding. Horse riding is a preferred choice as one can enjoy it any time of the year. Photography. Endowed with picturesque settings and natural beauty, this northernmost state of India is a paradise for photographers. Canoeing. Canoeing is another major water sports that is gaining its popularity among the local and tourists in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Hot air ballooning. Aero sports is also in great demand among the tourists visiting the state, and that's why hot air ballooning is very quickly making its mark among the things to do in Jammu and Kashmir. Jeep safaris. Unreveal the spectacular natural allure of Jammu and Kashmir through jeep safaris. Camel safaris. Camel safaris is a major attraction in the cold and barren Ladakh region. These safaris can be enjoyed during a period of July to September. Ice skating. Tourists can enjoy ice skating during winters when the frozen surfaces are common sights in the nature. The unparalleled beauty and the charm of the state and sweetness of the state will remain etched in your memory forever. Thank you.